Alright guys, so I am back here with another banger, and today we are going to go over the Focus ST and talk about some mods that I have done to it. You know, quarantine and stuff like that, I haven't been able to upload and do a lot of things to the car. I have so much parts at home, man. If I tell you, there's so much parts that's coming in the mail for this beautiful car, man. So first of all, I'm going to tell you one of my favorite mods I've ever done to the car, which is the RS Brembo brakes. Like, bro, if you are going to upgrade your car, these brakes are one of the best brakes you could ever get. I love these brakes, man. Like, it's really touchy. Like, I can do 100 miles per hour and just get on it and it'll just be like, I just stop. You see what I'm saying? But this is one of my favorite mods I've ever done in any car I've ever owned. The RS brakes with the slotted and drilled brakes. I love the looks of these slotted and drilled brakes. I didn't like them at first, but now I got used to it, so I like it now. And if you look at the rear, it doesn't have that. Why is that? Because I had the parts in the back, and because of quarantine and stuff like that, I haven't been able to do anything like that. But the parts are in the back right here. As you can see, I got them from Rock Auto, which they are kind of like refurbished brakes or whatever they are. So I'm gonna open one of the rotors for you guys to see. I was gonna go with some Brembo brakes in the rears too, but I'm not doing too much power, and you know, it's a front-wheel drive car. I don't know, man. I just don't want to go too crazy with the brakes. But the front being really good, it kind of scares me a little bit, because then sometimes I fishtail in the rear, but doing this with one hand is not easy. So I'm just gonna flip it over. So I got the rears that's gonna go on it. It's the same thing. I could have just got this out and just, what do you call it, spray it or whatever, but I just didn't want to go through that process. But you know what I'm saying? So this is a one-piece brake. Yeah, so it goes in like that, and then all I gotta do is just get the bottom end too. But yeah, this the brake kit right there, and this goes right on the ST. So yeah, I thought I'll update you guys on that. And number two, my second favorite mod I've ever done to the car is the short throw shifter. So recently I upgraded my shifter. I got a Steeder short throw shifter. It doesn't go really low. I wish the shifter was like sitting really low. You know, I kind of like that low look or whatever, but I couldn't get anything lower, so I just put it on. But the throws are really short, as you can see. Like look how short first gear is. Second is a little bit longer because I have it at I think 25%, and third gear right there, fourth gear, fifth, and sixth. So yeah. So yep. And another mod that I just recently did was order this thing from Australia from a guy from the ST page. He makes these kind of things, and he so you just pretty much just slide in, you put your access port right there, it just sits right there. I just don't have it sitting right, so it kind of moves a little bit, but I haven't had the time to really take it apart because it's been really hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to deal with the heat and stuff like that. And I got some carbon fiber bits going into the interior. The seats are going to be changed eventually. I'm going to get something crazy for the seats, but for now we're going to rock the stock seats. It's a little messy, and the reason why I'm going different because these are cloth and it's really hard to maintain. Like, look at all these little dirty it looks black and white. I don't like it, so I'm going to definitely change the seats eventually. But for now, we're just going for like body parts and stuff like that. And I'm definitely going to upgrade the brakes. I just got new tires on the car because I'm lowering the car and stuff like that. So, you know, I wanted to get new tires. Then when I get alignment, it will look good and everything will be nice. So I got brand new tires coming for the car. I mean, I already put the tires on, but I got brand new coilovers going in the car sometime soon when I get a garage that can do it for me. I wanted to do it in my driveway, but it's too hot, man. But my friend who lives in Maryland is going to help me do that. The walk around, let's see what I've done to the car. Oh, and also with the rear valance, like, which is this part right here, I got a Maxine design rear valance for it, which is going to be in the car soon, sometime when it arrives. So for now we're just gonna chill, wait for the parts to come in and throw them bitches on. You hear me? And also I was thinking about, I want to know what the ride quality is going to be like when I put the coilovers on it. And if it's great, I just, you know what I'm saying, just kind of like just work around it. But if it isn't, I'll be pissed off because I don't like lowering cars. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the car is really low enough, but I guess we'll see. I know it's gonna look sick though. And also one thing that's coming on the channel is I'm doing some error kits. I'm gonna make them. Me and Matt is gonna make it, and if we are able to accomplish it how we want it to be and use it for, let's say, like 3 or 6 months, and if it doesn't flap, no problems, we are gonna start making them and sell them for the STs, the RS, and the Mazda Speed 3s, and possibly any car that we get hand on, and start making like error kits, because BM Spec stopped making error kits for their cars and stuff like that, and me and Matt came up with the idea of making error kits for these cars. So pretty much that. I am gonna get BM Spec, what do you call it, what is this part called? I can't remember the name, but it's like a low flappy thing that goes here. Rear wing extension. Yeah, it's called rear wing extension. It's gonna go right on the back here. It's coming in the mail sometime soon when Devin ST ships it to me. This guy Devin, if you don't know who Devin ST is, go check out his channel. I mean, his IG, his name is devin.st. He has a 2013 Focus ST, and he has one of the crazy track looking Focus STs out there. I love his car, man. But pretty much that's the kind of goal I'm going for. I'm going for like this kind of track look, this kind of cool looking car, you know what I'm saying? So all the aero bits is going to be in the car sometime soon, but for now we're taking it piece by piece. I have so much parts coming in the mail. I spent too much money. I'm waiting for all the parts to come in, put all the stuff in. We're going to go respect detail lights and stuff like that, but for now let's just take our time, make sure we have time has finally come for the Focus ST to get new suspension on it, and I'm upgrading its suspension with a KSport suspension, and my buddy Damien is doing it for me. You know, I don't really know a lot about the suspension shit, so I got him out here doing it. I'll put his Instagram tag for you guys to follow and check out his IG and look at his Focus ST sitting right there if you guys can see it. But yeah, so we're gonna lower this thing and see how good it looks, you know what I'm saying? I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for this for so long. If you look at the stock suspension compared to the coilovers, you can tell there's a big difference in that thing. Look at how long this one is and how short that one is. But can't wait for this beast to go on, and we're gonna need alignment and all that stuff. But I'm a little nervous about this part right here, because there's no way for me to get to it or adjust it or do anything to it, which don't make sense. You see what I'm saying?
You'd have to take the bar out. Like, you have to get the TV performance one.
Yeah,
it's not that bad.
Do you think I could ride with it without this and then order a new one by next week?
2 months.
And order a new one for next week?
I did it for like 2 months, but you're gonna feel a little bit of a difference.
Like does it kind of go like that?
The front end's gonna feel a little bit looser. I mean, you're not gonna really notice it because of the coils, but without that,
yeah,
it does affect things. Like, you can leave it in, honestly. I only took mine out because my studs on my new ones didn't fit all the way through the hole.
Right.
This plate's too thick, and back there it's like a double plate setup almost.
Right. Yeah. So all right, we're gonna go right ahead and keep working on this and get this out of the way. You might want to take this little bolts out here.
You good? You don't have to take them out. You don't have to take off none of that stuff. Just pop it right up.
All right. Well, I was kind of gonna adjust the dampening because I heard it might be a little stiff.
What I did for mine. Where's yours?
My race right here. That's for the dampening. You can soft or right.
You just twist this whole nut.
No, it comes with the little thingy that you were talking about. Yeah, that's what it's for. This thing right here, it goes straight through it. Boom, and you can adjust it. But I don't know how many turns it has. It says right here, look, soft and hard. So I don't know how many turns it has as of right now. So I kind of don't want to mess with it. I want to drive it.
For mine, I started off like going all the way soft.
You gotta take that off.
Yeah.
No, I don't think you do. I think it has to go in there with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's if you want to use a bigger Allen key.
Yeah. There you go. Just throw it on here. It'll go in. There you go. Fuck. See, it's turning right now. I don't want to keep messing with it, you know what I'm saying? Until I know fully what.
Yeah, see it, and it depends on what your like what the specs are for this coil, because mine's is not like the other ones. Mine's is like, you might have like 30 clicks in this. Mine only have like 12.
Yeah. I think this has more than 12. I think it's 30 or 20 something. I can't remember. So that's the problem. I don't know where it's at right now, because I don't want it to be bouncing on the one side and stiff on the other side. So I don't know. Let's just put it on. We figure it out after that. I think these supposed to come off.
It's probably better if you just go.
All right, so the front once is done. We're gonna put tires and everything on it later after and figure it out. But for now, we're gonna do the rears, and look at the difference between the rears, the shocks. Like, oh my god, It's like half of that. Well, 25% of that is that. So, all right, he's gonna go ahead and take it apart. But this is all that comes in here. So, bro, like I said earlier, you take this part out. Matter of fact, you know what? All right, boys. So everything is in now. We're gonna lower it to see how low it is. So, sheesh. It might be slammed, bro. We might have to go back up and lift it back up again, bro.
This is a little bit probably.
Sheesh. Oh, hell nah, bro. No way.
Oh, you're solid.
That's not bad, but still, bro. It's too high, bro, for me, bro. That's too high. I might have to go back up and adjust it a little bit, bro. Hell nah, bro. I ain't about to ride like that. That's too high, bro. Might have to go back up. See what I was saying? The right side is way lower than the left side. Stand here and look at it. Boys, this is the second time you're gonna lower it. We already adjusted it and stuff like that. I couldn't really record this whole video because it wasn't easy to like put it on, you know. It took most of the time. I didn't want to be standing around and recording. I wanted to help, but let's see. Hopefully it's low enough.
That's how you can go down.
Hell nah. You know what I'm thinking, bro? So, you know, it's the next day. I let the coilovers set in after a couple days, and also I kind of, went back and adjusted what I could to the coilovers and stuff. But pretty much, if you look at the coilovers right here, it's sitting pretty damn low. It's kind of scaring me. The rears are not as bad, but the fronts are really scaring me. So I'm gonna go back in here and try to adjust it a little bit higher. It's too low for me, man. The car's sitting pretty good, but it's just too low for me. And if you look at the other side, it looks pretty good, but I just think it's too low. So I'm gonna go back in. The rear right is way lower than the front right here, so that is gonna get adjusted, right? And yeah, pretty much that's what I'm gonna do right now. But it rode pretty good. It was just a little stiff, so I have my jack stands and everything here, and I'm gonna try and get it correct how I want it to look. You know what I'm saying? The front is definitely going up a little bit, but other than that, the car's set, done, everything's good now. It was just a little update for you guys. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you like, you subscribe by writing something there how you like the car, and share it. I'm gonna watch the car, so please don't go crazy on me in the comments about these bugs and shit, because this was from last week when I went out with friends and shit like that. I got all these bugs, but for now, most of the parts that are on the car are on there right now. I'm still waiting for parts for the rear brakes and stuff like that, which will be here Thursday. And yeah, this is as far as we got with the ST, bros. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everything you guys do for the channel. Bye.